In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online with this platform. But before we jump right into the video, if you are new to the channel, just make sure to hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so that you won't miss out on any future video on platforms where you can make money online. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. The platform we are going to be talking about today is called Stakecut. Now, Stakecut is an affiliate marketing platform. Now, with this platform, you can sell either your own product or you can sell people's products to gain commission. So, I believe you already know what affiliate marketing is. So, I'm just going to be linking a video in which you'll be seeing above right now that is going to help you scale easily in this business. So, let me walk you through the process. So, first thing you want to do right here is that you want to go into this website called stakecut.com. And after going into that website, what you want to do is that you want to click at the right top corner and then click on sign up, and it's going to take you to another page. So we are just going to input our name right here. We're going to input the last name, our email address in which we are going to be using, and a password. And after this, they're just going to send us an email in which we are going to verify. So Gmail has been sent right there onto our account. So what we are going to do, we are going to go right into our Gmail right now, and then we are going to get that code in which we are going to use, and go back right here and paste it right in here and click on verify. So right now we are just going to sign into our account right here that we open, and we are in. So you can see right here that the interface is quite simple and easy to understand. You can just walk through it easily. So if you are seeing right here in the screen right now, there's a place written right here, best selling products. So these are products right in this platform in which people are buying the most, and the vendors are making a lot of money, and also the affiliates promoting those products are also making a lot of money. So if you want to get other products, you could go right here to the left hand side and click on that. And when you click on that, you want to click on marketplace. Now right here in marketplace, what you're going to see is that you're going to see vast amount of product from different vendors. So you can also become a vendor and you can also become an affiliate. So these are different products right here, and their amount, I'm sure you can see them right here. If you scroll down, you see them $50, $67. So these products are quite cheap and they are easy to sell. You can easily sell them to somebody you've been talking to about something. So you just check that video which is showing up right now in the screen. You're going to be seeing it, and it's going to help you know how to promote this product. It will take time, but you will be able to do it. So that's how it is. So that different product right here, you just have to choose one. So let's choose one product right here. So let's say we go for this one which is saying how to generate cooking gas from, I don't know what is written there, but you just hit on this place written promote. Now when you hit on that place written promote, it's going to take you to their page where it's going to show you how much you are going to be making. So this product right here is selling for $20, and you're going to be getting a whooping 40% commission. So that means you're going to be earning about $8 from this product right here. So if we go back right here and then we go to a higher product, like let's say the Amazon KDP for smartphone, which is a very nice product, you want to hit on promote and go right here. So this one right here, you're getting a 50% commission, which is better than the other. So you want to go for something in which people are buying, people are already looking for, which is a high selling product, so that it will be much easier for you to sell that product also. So right now, the next thing you want to do is get your affiliate link right here, copy it, and you can start promotion. And before you start promotion, what you want to do is that you want to check out this page called JVP. And this page has everything you as an affiliate need to sell this product. You could see right here testimonies from students, so you could click right here and get testimonies from all the students and use it to promote this product. You could go right here and also you get video ads about the product in which you could use to sell the same product. And you can see right here that different screenshots of different people who has made it with this particular course. You could also join the Telegram right here for support, and you could also get the book on how to sell these products through WhatsApp. So that's how good this particular platform is. And now you want to just go back, and the next thing you want to check is that you want to check their product page. So what you want to do right here is that you want to click on product page, and then right here in this page you are going to see the way their landing page is, their sales page is. So this is how their sales page looks like. And if your buyer, after giving your buyer the link, and he comes right here, he's just going to click right here, and he's just going to pay the sum of 20,000 in order to get this course. He's just going to put his details, pay that sum, and get this course. And the good thing about this platform is that after selling this product and getting your commissions, you don't have to pass through the protocol of going to withdraw your money through Payoneer or through any other international platforms like that. This money can be sent directly into your account. So the day you want to cash out, you just come right here and click on request payouts after you've sold product. And when you click on right there, they are going to take you to another page in which you are going to do everything about putting the amount in which you want to withdraw. But before that, you have to just set up everything about that particular part. So when you want to do that, what you're going to do is that you are going to go right there and then click on settings. And right here in settings, you're going to set everything about your account. So you see right here where it's written account number and bank name. You're going to set all that, set your country and everything in order to get paid. So that's how this platform works. And have a nice time promoting your products, and I'm sure you're definitely going to make it, because I too am also trying to push this product out there and sell them. And I left the link in the description that can help you do that. That's the pattern in which I'm using to try to sell these products. So you could use that pattern also, watch the video, use that pattern also, and you could learn this how to sell immediately.